This is a 2017 Holden VF2 Evoke. Yes, another Evoke, but this is actually a viewer requested review. Someone actually really likes this car, so I might review it for them. So give them a bit of a show off to it. So you know the drill. We're gonna show you the interior as well as the exterior. Start off, show the engine. Further ado, let's get right into the review. This is one of the many ex-cop cars as well. Very nice interior. Cloth upholstery. Yep, cloth. This car does also have the remote start, but I've already showed that off. Make sure to go and check out that video if you're not quite sure how to do it. This car's going to clock 1,900 and clock 100,000 Ks. Next 200. I don't know why I stumbled on that, I'm very sorry. Beautiful startup. Leather wrap steering wheel, very nice. One-minute driver side window and passenger windows. How are they not automatic going back up? It's really annoying. Alright, let's turn the headlights on as well as the hazards, and we'll pop the hood. Nice. I won't review too many Amigas, I'm not going to do that one. Evoke V6 engine. Stock standard. Very, very nice. Very quiet too. Now this car has come as is. The guys at Top Cars have actually done all these modifications to the vehicle. They've added these stripes, they've done the roof black. Very nice alloy rims, aftermarket black from BGN. So yeah, it's also been lowered too. Headlight, halogen headlight. Go around this way because there's a bit more space. Yeah, those stripes and everything is completely aftermarket and done up from the guys at Top Car, so this thing is really worth its money. If you're interested, I will leave a link down below if you live in the southern region to Top Cars, which is on 182 Clyde Street. So come on and check them out. Massive shout out to them for letting me review these vehicles, and providing the vehicles for me to review and all that. Very, very appreciative. Rear parking sensors. Really nice. Tow bar as well. Very, very nice. "20" alloys. And really nice tyres as well. The brakes been resprayed into a nice black. Excuse me. The stripe down here is a nice little flag as well, that's pretty cool. a look at that black roof for you. See how she sounds. I'm quite fond of the Evoke. I think this is one of my favourite VFs. That and the SSV. Very nice. Turn those off. Kill the lights. I like how the gauges do this nice little turn around, see? Nice little 180. That's really nice. There's your fairly standard gauge class too, which looks the same in all the VFs. You got grips on your steering wheel. Very nice. Oh, they've obviously fixed up the steering wheel controls, because obviously they were, when this was a cop car, these were used for the radio and sirens, so they've obviously fixed that up, which is really cool. So you've got your radio controls, your hands-free phone, and your setting controls and all that. You've got your stocks right here. Very, very nice. Center control stack. Fairly similar. I'm not going to waste too much time on this because I've done it in my other reviews. Automatic transmission. It's also got a manual option as well. Parking brake, this is a little simple tab right there. Traction control, park assist and all that. Really cool. This car is really ahead of its time. Of course the climate controls get that little digital read up there. Oh, we can air out. Very nice. Got some nice chrome going on around the hazard lights. Oh, no copyright, thank you. Go away. I like how it brings up this little picture of the car with the climate controls. It's pretty cool. It's like a little edgy little sedan. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm not going to waste too much time on this. You can check out on my other reviews of the VFs and you'll get the, oh, yeah. You know, it's pretty cool. Anyway, it's moving right along. No. Oh, obviously that's not going to work. Wing mirror, because why not? Well, that's actually the rear view mirror, that's the wing mirror. I know that. Let's go check out the rest of the car. Nice aluminum door trim right there. Automatic seats. Oh, sort of. Oh, they're automatic adjusting, you've got to do that as well. Very nice. Got a nice white stitching going on here too. This seat's done in complete cloth. It's very comfortable as well. Check out the rest of the car. This is a really nice Evoke, I'll give it that. I like how there's no cars here too, so it gives me more space. I know it's got nothing to do with anything, but what are you going to do? It's my review, not yours. Nice plastic trim, which is done in all the Evokes as well. Oh, not all Evokes, just the VF in general. Believe it or not, it's even the HSVs. It's your owner's manual. Excuse me. I hope we're going to get copyrighted because all you can hear is the music. I'm very sorry about that. Don't know why I'm apologising to you. You're not the ones going to get the copyright. This also just had the rubber Holden branded carpets as well. I think these are aftermarket, I'm not too sure because I don't think they came in the car. I'm not too sure. Nice, comfortable. The carpets are really slippery. I mean, it's hard to grip the carpets because feet are going everywhere. Storage pouch, which doesn't open that wide. Headliner, which is in nice condition. There's a unfortunate kind of hump going on here, but there's nothing much you can do about that. Vents to point out cold air. This one you can't adjust because the thing is missing. Trunk pass through, as well as you've got your cup as an armrest and cup holder. View of the dash, please. Tinted rear windows. All the windows are tinted, so you know, it's pretty cool. Storage in here. The door armrest is done in a nice leather as well with some white stitching. And I forgot to show off the driver's door panel. Sorry about that. The driver's door panel, you've got your release, your locks, the car that was shut up, your window controls, yeah, armrest as well, it's done in leather, stitching, storage, trunk release, which is on the door and on the key as well, so yeah. Oh, apparently I didn't turn the lights off because it's still on. So there's a lot of there's reasonable storage space back here. It's quite a lot actually. Still hasn't been covered up yet, unfortunately. A lot of space back there. Turn them off. Yes, I do. Alright, so there you have it. It is the review of yet another Holden VF Commodore Evoke. Hope you did enjoy this review. It's got to be one of my better ones, I'd say. So myself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the review, and we'll catch you guys in another one.